What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. And guys, today we're going to talk about Plot X. What is Plot X? Well, Plot X be plotting. All right, so what is it? Okay, guys, first off, we'll explain it like this. What is Augur? Okay, I'm just kidding. You guys probably don't know what Augur is either. Wait, no, I'm kidding. You guys do because you've been watching the channel. Augur is a prediction market. Augur is okay, so basically I can say, hey, Trump's going to win against Biden, and I can bet on it. That's basically how you can relate it. It's just an online prediction market. And Vitalik is actually very favorable on these, and he thought they were going to be huge. Time will tell on what will happen. It seems like they are very undervalued in my opinion. But we're going to talk about PlotX. So Augur has a $235 million market cap. PlotX, $8 million. Augur, $235 million market cap. PlotX, $8 million. Augur, $235 million market cap. PlotX, $8 million. I don't know. Maybe I could say it a fourth time. Maybe you guys might see the difference. I'm just kidding. Anyways, guys, Augur, they specialize in long-term predictions. PlotX is specializing in the short term. So this is something like, hey, is it going to rain on Friday? Hey, is it going to be sunny tomorrow? Something goofy like that. But let me explain the ecosystem to you guys and how it works. It's really awesome, really crazy. I really think this is a DeFi gem. But again, it's just my opinion, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. This is not a paid promotion or video or anything. I'm just doing a full review. I see the project, I like the project, or I don't like the project. I tell you what I like, don't like. You guys do you, I'm gonna do me. I got big boy pants, you got big boy pants. And guys, if you want to join the Telegram chat, it's in the link in the description below. And you guys can also show me some love. Smash out the like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Guys, show me some love. Be nice. PlotX, what is PlotX? Well, let's read the description. PlotX is a DeFi prediction market protocol built for crypto traders. It enables users to earn rewards on high yield prediction markets. Wow, that's so awesome. That's really cool. Okay, what is it? Well, here's an example. What will the price of BTC UST be in 4 hours? Now that's interesting. That is really cool. And guys, a lot of people like to bet and predict on junk. That's why I think this is going to be huge. Let me explain. Polygon is going to be their layer 2 solution. Right now, they really don't have many people using. If you guys are in the United States, you guys cannot bet on this or vote on the protocol. However, you can get the token, or you can ask a friend and do it for you, or you can, yeah, I'm not going to advise in any other way. You guys do whatever you want. If you're in the US, you really can't use this. They even state that, or in a couple of other countries as well. So, what is PlotX? Well, this is PlotX. So you can actually create your own prediction markets. These are ones in settlement. These are ones that are passed and so on. So these are just the examples. So you can do a 4-hour one, a daily one, a weekly one. And let me go and show you. So if I come on to the 4-hour, I can create my own prediction market. So I can say, hey, I want to predict on this. I want this to happen. I want to see what people will say, what BTC will be in a certain time frame. You don't have to be the guy who's betting or winning and losing. You can actually create the market. So in this scenario, you can be quote unquote the casino. Let me connect my wallet. Boys, we be popping. Let's go ahead and create our own market. Let's do this. Let's be the house. Guys, pay me up. I'm just kidding. No, you aren't going to pay me up. But I do want you guys to be aware that this is a massive, massive gas fee. But stay tuned. I'll explain to you how the gas fee really doesn't matter, especially when this protocol takes off. And this is only 115 Gwei. Imagine if it was 200, guys. 200. That's a hefty fee. Now, why would someone pay that? Well, let's go ahead and explain it. So, well, first off, that's how you make the prediction. That's how you do the junk. You create the market, and it'll allow you to create it. Then it'll pull up. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to waste a gas fee, and I don't want to play around with this because I've already wasted enough gas making these videos. But you can select, you can do ETH USDC, Bitcoin USD. You can vote on what you want to vote on the market. So if I want to select, okay, I want to do ETH USD or Bitcoin USD, and I want to say, okay, who wants to predict what the price will be at this and this date? Or it'll say, hey, if you agree, you can say yes, that Bitcoin price will be above 56,000 on this and this date and time, or it'll be below it, and you can vote yes or no, or above or below, whatever. You can create it your own, and you can actually just create whatever you really want. And this PlotX token is also used as the governance token. And here's a couple of the, well, here's on the leaderboard in general, so you guys can check this out. So you guys can see, like on the leaderboard here, they really don't have a lot of people creating different things right now because of the Ethereum gas fees are nuts and ham right now. So until they get like Matic or until they get that layer 2, which is coming in April, there's not going to be a lot. But like, for example, right here, this was the winning Opticon. So for example, BTC USD is either 50,350 or 52.95. So this is what the basically the example of what it was. And you can go and view the participation, what it was. What will the volume of BTC be at so-and-so? The winning option was this. So whoever voted and said this was the amount that it would be would have won. So you guys can keep that in mind. It's a cool way to play with it. It's similar to Augur. It's a little bit easier to use in my opinion. You can also look at these articles on how to use. And we're also going to dig into the white paper in this channel so you guys can see it. So let's go ahead and get into that now. So here's how to make predictions on PlotX. First, these are the 3 prerequisites that you need. First, you need some ETH, plot, or bplot in your wallet. And basically bplot is staked plot. You guys can stake your own plot. There's different, or you can provide liquidity like LP tokens. And then you need a crypto wallet. Just get MetaMask. MetaMask is the best thing to use. And then a good understanding of the basics. If you guys didn't watch this video, or if you did watch this video and you still don't understand, dig in that white paper and then watch the video again. Then maybe you'll understand it. So you apply an analysis. First, you need to figure out what you want to create the protocol on. So you want to make a bet on, or not make a bet, but you want to create a prediction market for someone. Okay, so we need to figure out an option. Okay, so first we need to choose an option. After you're doing the analysis, you need to decide on your price prediction and choose one of the 3 options that best reflects the prediction. So in this screenshot right here, this shows you like, hey, it's going to be below 574, it's 574 to 580, and then it's above 580. So bearish, neutral, or bullish. So these are like the different selections that someone created on their protocol. So now you can buy the prediction position. So now you're wondering, how do you buy this? Well, what are the positions? Well, this is how you do it. You hit the predict button, you select the currency you want to buy the prediction positions. And the reason for the plot token is it actually reduces your fees. So normally if you pay in ETH, it's going to be 0.1%. If you pay in PlotX, it's going to be 0.05%. So it's going to save you 50%. So that's also another use case for this token. Fun fact, select the asset which you want to buy the prediction positions. So you can use ETH plot or bplot like we explained. And then here's the fees like we explained. Enter the amount that you want to select or use. So after you select the asset you want to use, purchase the prediction positions. For example, like if you want to use 400 or 4,000 plot, currently that's 25 cents a pop, just about. That's going to be $1,000. And then you also have a prediction multiplier that can be assessed. So if you're staking plot, you actually get an additional multiplier. So say you win and you're winning $1, well, with the multiplier, it will automatically multiply it. So how does the multiplier work? Well, it depends on the amount that you have, so and how long you stake it. So users can stake their plot tokens with smart contracts for a minimum of 30 days to boost their plot positions. So minimum playing amount is going to be 0.5 ETH or 0.5 ETH equivalent of plot tokens per position. So keep that in mind. And the staked amount must be greater than the playing amount in order to get these multipliers. So that's an incentive. So it's not like someone's going to come in with $1 million and only have like 5 plots tokens staked. No, they have to have more than $1 million worth of plot tokens. So you got to keep that in mind. Again, this is, so say for example you have a 1.2x. Basically what this means, you'll get 20% more rewards just for staking these stinking PlotX tokens. And even if you lose, the stake tokens that you have, you don't lose. So it's just a win-win situation. That's how risk works. I mean, even though you're making a prediction on something that's almost given and guaranteed, there's always a chance that it still doesn't come through. There's nothing in life that's 100% except death. And even then, Jesus beat death. So guys, he was the anomaly. Then after you select the amount you want to stake, how much you want to put it on, the selection, you guys can see here, your selection, the amount of plot you want to use, and then it explains your potential winning. So you guys really don't have to do any math. It's all done for you. And then you wait. And once it's done, oh, well, first you got to make the transaction. All right, so we're going to make the gas fee go through, put the transaction, quote unquote, smart contract, and we'll see what happens. Just wait. And once it's done, you can go to the leaderboard page and it'll tell you the status, what it's doing, etc. Check the results. And once it's done, you can claim your winnings, or you can look and see you're a loser and be like, oh, bro, maybe next time. You can also, once you have the available balance and rewards, they're going to stay on that account page, which links up with your wallet. If you want to withdraw it, great. If you don't, you can automatically just enter into another drawing and so on. It's similar to Polymarket. If you want to check out our video on Polymarket on my channel, go ahead and check it out. It explains it. And this is also interesting. So with the PlotX, this is an incentive for people who want to create the prediction markets. This is so awesome. So I have not seen this before. But basically what happens is when you lock this up and spend that gas fee, like that $200, you actually get a portion of the ETH that people spend in gas fees. And I'll show you how the ecosystem works later in this video. It'll be like a diagram so you guys can see it. And a chance to get 5% of the pool. So say the pool has $1 million in it, well, you get 5% just for creating it. Guys, so create some good predictions. Be on the house, be on the casino. Let's get it done. Here's the token utility. So look, this is the little chart I was going to tell you. All right, so I'm Jeff. I'm not Jeff, but I'm Jeff. I'm the market creator. I'm going to create a prediction. I say Trump's going to beat Biden. Okay, I'm going to say who's going to win, Trump or Biden, and we'll see what happens. All right, so we create the market. Great, market initiation. We pay the gas fee, get raped by Ethereum. Have fun. Now the prediction market goes out. Okay, awesome. So now we have people participating. They can spend with XPlot or Ethereum. They're going to be paying 0.1% or 0.05 for the PlotX. Awesome. So now what happens is a portion of this is split and is given to the DAO governance treasury, and another portion is going to the market creator. Massive, guys. And then these guys are, okay, great, I'm the gambler. I hope I win. Awesome, so I can win some money. Or I lose and I'm a loser. Or I can stake and get like 1.2x, 1.5x, etc. The rates are depending on how much you stake and how long you stake for. And when I say staking, what I mean is providing liquidity. And what that means is on Uniswap, you got to come over here and stake LP tokens. So you have to have like a plot token. So for example, like this, liquidity on DEXs, you would need to get like a good example is Uniswap and plot. And then once you stake your tokens, you're going to have those B plots like I was explaining. And this kind of explains how the rewards go. I really don't like providing or staking with it, but this kind of changes it up because I don't like impermanent loss. This changes it up just a little bit though, because it gives really good juicy rewards that kind of offset it. And you also, if you are participating in the predictions, you can make some bank on that. So now going back to the token utility, you also have referral mining. So what you can do is you can have the market participants bringing referrals. So, hey, come check this out. Use my referral link. Okay, great. I'll use your referral link. Cool, I can claim some PlotX. And so on. You guys can understand how that works. So it's like a give-win ecosystem type of thing. And then also you have the community mining. So you have the plot holders voting to create a new form, plot farming tokens for link holders or others. So the link community claims pots or plot. They sell to the sell or transfer, and also the a portion of the plot that's being staked goes back to the PlotX ecosystem. And this is really cool. This might be a gem on its own because it actually does have a token. It's called the Oro token. But basically what you can do is you can stake one of these tokens. I'm going to show you plot, and you earn a bunch of other tokens. So let me show you. Look, we're going to show you the available pools. Say I stake 1,000 plot. I would get plot. I would get, what is that? Royal Finance, Orin, Paid Network. I know that one. Razorpay and MantraDAO, I think that one is. MantraDAO or something like that. But anyways, guys, it's really cool ecosystem. You can stake these tokens and get a certain amount. So that's really cool, actually. But anyways, back to the video, what we're talking about on PlotX. And then you can also play mining and stake and play. So what this means is you can stake and you can get bonus rewards and so on. That's how you can get, or that's the use case of the token. And then obviously, guys, every token has this. It's token governance. Well, every new token now. Governance this. Yeah, that's smart. I mean, that's what happens. So you guys can kind of see what it is, what it's doing, what we doing. That's PlotX, guys. PlotX in a nutshell. It is built on the Ethereum network. They are working on getting on Matic, so it is a layer 2. And this is also why I'm very bullish, guys. NGC Ventures, they invested a portion of their funds. There's something going on with that. If you see a VC throwing some money at them, well, you don't see money being thrown at scams. I mean, hey, there may be some, but still, guys, these are some big VCs. You got TRG Capital, Brilliance Ventures, 3 commas. You got NGC Ventures. NGC is massive. You got Genesis Block. You guys got a lot of good peeps on here. And then, of course, DDIM. I love DuckDAO Dime. Those guys are so cool. They got a smart team, really good peeps. And guys, go ahead and check this out, but I do want to make you guys aware of this. There is a token unlock coming up at the end of this month. So do not be scared if you see a bunch of tokens coming on the market, because we are going to have a massive token unleash at the end of this month. So be aware of that. So here's the PlotX tokenomics. So what they got. So we got 9.5% on the seed, 7.5 to early supports. Private sale 20%, 2.5 community, 22.5 eco, 15% for the team. So not too bad on the team. 3% advisors, 20% reserves. So it's not too bad. You guys can see the distribution right here. It's not amazing. It's not horrible. It's not. It's just all right. It's not too bad. So there were 12 million tokens initially released. So just so you guys can see the token amount right now, it's at 34 million out of 200 million. Anyways, so back to what we're talking about. This is what's important. So you're going to have a release schedule. Let me show you the distribution table. So the early supporters, 6 months full vesting. So that's full unlock in 6 months. So 6 months from now, this sucker's just gonna have a massive unlock on that end. So right now let's consider October, November, December. So let's see. So October, November, December, January, February, March. Guys, this is the 6th month. We're about to have a massive token unlock. So let's see what happens on that. That's for the early supporters. That's 7.5%. And now we have, this is the full unlock in 2 years. So those are locked up. Don't have to worry about that. But look, you also have the private sale. Full unlock in 6 months, guys. This is coming up. This is 40 million. It's 20% of the supply. Guys, that's my opinion though. You guys do what you want. You guys can get dumped on if you want, but almost 30% of the token supply is going to be unlocked in about a few days. So hopefully I can get this video edited and released before that happens. But anyways, if you guys are joining in the Telegram chat or in the Digi Squad, you guys would have been okay and would have not been, I guess, missing out on it. But anyways, who cares? You can also look at the release calendar here. This kind of explains it right here. We're coming into, which month is it? I want to say it's month 6. Yeah, it's this month right here. So you got early supporters and the private sale, and you got the advisors. So that's like a recipe for massive dumpage. But hey, who knows? Maybe the guys are really bullish on it and they don't decide to do it or decide to smash it down, but we'll see what happens. You guys can see same thing month 6, and then after month 6, it's pretty much smooth sailing until the end of the year, and then we get a nice release. But yeah. And of course, as always, guys, we always look into the GitHub. Got to look at the little GitHub Git. 4 days, February 24th, February 23rd, February 22nd. So, hey, not too popular on GitHub. They ain't popping over there much. But, hey, we'll see what happens. Time will tell. Again, this is a really, really low cap, so you can't expect them to be all nuts and ham like that. You actually can't even see any people over here working on it. Normally they have some people that are listed, but hey, you can see the holders of the wallets. Those are definitely picking up. That's a good thing. For the most part, token is somewhat evenly distributed. This is the smart contract. We'll see how this gets released. So keep that in mind, guys. But me personally, I'm gonna wait a bit for the token unlock. But guys, I got big boy pants. You got big boy, big girl pants, whatever you got, or I don't know, big skirts, whatever they call them. Anyways, guys, that is PlotX in a nutshell. I really think it's got a place to stay, or a place to be. I mean, you can compare it to like an Augur or any of the other prediction markets. Like for example, here you have a centralized prediction market. Users have no role, and here's Augur and here's PlotX. So look, they have AMMs on PlotX. Really interested. Users can create markets. Same thing with this one, and it's smart contract driven. In centralized, they're not specialized. Same thing, not specialized. This one can be specialized, so you can choose how long it takes. You can only do native tokens and native and BTC and ETH. This one is ETH and PlotX, so it doesn't really involve Bitcoin in it, but hey, that's okay. It is what it is. Lower liquidity on the centralized, lower and higher on this because it's focused on a short duration. Guys, we are in the generation of 6-second videos, short attention spans. Did I win now? Let me scratch it off with a quarter so I don't have to buy a lottery ticket and watch a movie or a video that shows up a couple days later saying, oh yeah, the lucky numbers are this. No, people want instant gratification. They want to know whether they won or lost. I mean, same thing with crypto. Why don't you invest in stocks? Well, no, most people invest in crypto because they want to know whether they won or lost quicker, faster, harder, stronger. I mean, that's how it works. Risk exposure, all or nothing in this. The centralized, the decentralized, same thing. But the PlotX is a little bit different. Lowered risk via risk spread, so multiple options and deleverages. And you can be the house in this portion. So you can create your own markets and get a portion of the fees. And I guess that's similar to Augur, but you get it. But you guys can pause the video, look at it yourself. You guys basically have the same eyes as I do, and you guys can read pretty well. If you can't read pretty well, I'm sorry guys, you shouldn't be in crypto. And that's not financial advice. That's just what you shouldn't be doing. Because if you can't read, don't get into crypto. Unless you're listening to someone who knows what they're talking about, or but even then, you could still lose your shorts because, hey, crypto is very risky. Keep that in mind. So everything you invest, make sure you're ready to lose it. Guys, I appreciate your kind attention. I appreciate you guys watching. Really, show me some love. Smash up that like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And even if you hate me, show me some hate. Smash up that dislike and still subscribe because you hate me, right? Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. We're going to leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 28, verses 4. Those who forsake instruction praise the wicked, but those who heed it resist them. Amen to that, brother. Amen. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and without you guys watching, I wouldn't keep doing these videos, but I'm hoping I'm helping you guys. If I am, smash that like button. Go ahead and get started with the triple threat. Go ahead and start with the Celsius account. Here's a referral link where you guys can earn $20 in BTC. Really awesome. Set up a Celsius account, easy to use, and you get crazy interest rates on your Celsius account. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, you name it. The next one in the triple threat is a Crypto.com account. Super easy to use, super easy to set up, really easy to buy and sell on it. I don't like how it doesn't have limit orders, but really easy to use. And here's another referral code for 25 bucks in CRO. Here's the referral link, A8GP, you guys can read it. But anyways, guys, a cool place to buy cryptocurrency on the go. Allows you to buy small altcoins, unlike Celsius. Celsius is more so like your bank account. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as Crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks, free BTC. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like $100 in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolli account and just set it up. And of course, guys, if you guys are a pro, there's a link in the description so you guys can sign up with KuCoin and Binance US to get some trading fee discounts. Thanks.